Hello friends, I am Roshan Parihar from tutorialdeep.com, and in this video you will learn how to make background color transparent using CSS. The short answer is to use these simple methods. The first method is to use CSS RGBA color property. Second method with CSS opacity property. And the last method is to make transparent background on hover. After applying these methods, the back part of the background is still slightly visible. So let's find out these methods with examples. Before you dive into this, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's start with the first method using CSS RGBA color. You can use CSS RGBA color code to give a transparent background color. If you want to make the text background visible to the visitors to display back image, the effect is useful to add look and feel to the element. Let's create a code example to add a background with transparent color using CSS. Start with the simple structure of HTML. This is the simple structure of HTML. Now add a div to add background image to it. Specify a class for it, bg-img. Close the tag using closing div tag. Add a background image to it using CSS inside the style tag. This is the style tag, starting tag and closing tag. Inside that you have to specify CSS dot bg-img is a class of div, that div. Inside that you have to specify some CSS to give background to it using background dash image property URL image / nature dot jpg. This is the URL of the image. I have already placed an image inside that location. Padding 20 px. Let's check it on the browser. This is a Chrome browser. When I refresh the page, you will get an image. Now add a text content is inside the div that contains background image. Class equals to transparent dash bg dash color This is the div where I have to add text content to make transparent. Transparent background color using RGBA. Now add a background color to that div using CSS dot copy the class of the div to specify CSS. Background orange color, text color is white to make it visible, text align, center, padding 20 px and font size is 26 px. Let's 26 px. When you check it on the browser, you will get a text content with orange background. Now to make the background color transparent, you need to change the color to RGBA. You need to inspect the element that contains text content. Click inspect. It contains a background color that you have to click. Click on that. Now change it to RGBA. Click this to change to RGBA and move that to make it transparent. As a result, you will get the transparent background here. You need to copy that RGBA color and replace it with your color. When you refresh the page, you will get the transparent background color using RGBA. That's it. Method 2 with CSS opacity property. You can use the CSS opacity property to apply transparency to the background. Its value can be from 0 to 1 and you have to add a value above 0 and below 1 for a transparent effect. Now, to create this, start with the same previous code that contain background image and a text with background color with no transparency. This is the code, and when you check it on the browser, you will get no transparency. Now, to make the background color transparent, you need to just add the CSS opacity property with its value 0.6. When you refresh the page of browser, you will get the transparent background color. However, the most noteworthy thing here is that if you use the CSS opacity property, the text is slightly visible to the viewers. Method 3 transparent background on hover. In addition to the first and second method, you can also make a transparent background color only on hover using the same RGBA color. You have to use all the codes of first example and move the RGBA color to display on hover using hover selector. Move that RGBA color to hover selector. After that, convert the main RGBA color to orange color. It becomes orange. Now, when you refresh the page of browser, and hover over the image, you will get the transparent background on hover. That's all about the tutorial video on how to make background color transparent using CSS. Before you close this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more new videos.